this forward camera is really good,
man.
Look at that.
That makes you can take pictures of yourself, huh?
Yeah, that's the team.
I'm not sure those are prettier than the other pictures you were taking.
We're trekking back from the village, Wasolo, back to Big Bay Beach.
I see that. I see that. Here, you need something to carry.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.
It's the team behind me. Look, Brian's fixing a shoelace.
Brian? It's alright, it's the price we're willing to pay.
There's the jungle. I'm leading the charge here, but that's a good shot there, Dave.
Hey, Church.
That's right, I just get a good side on so I get the rest of you. Matt, we've lost Brian, senior.
He's got a puncher.